Isang credit notice mula sa Commission on Audit ang natanggap ng Department of Education para sa paggamit nito ng confidential funds. Ayon kay Defense Spokesperson Attorney Michael Powa, August 9, 2024, nang matanggap umano ng DepEd ang credit notice.
In fact, dati pa namin sinasabi yan kahit ng mga committee hearings pa lang na talagang may credit notice, no, yung DepEd. Obviously, that's not something that was being highlighted even by the media.
Pero ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng credit notice?
Ang credit notice simply means na after evaluation po ng Commission on Audit, ng liquidation report, ng mga submission at ng tugon sa AOM is they allow in audit yung nangyaring paggamit ng confidential funds. Meaning wala silang nakitang issue dun sa paggamit ng confidential funds.
Nilinaw ni Powa na maaari pa rin balikan o i-review ang isang credit notice kahit na nasettle ng account.
It's also a fact that a credit notice may be reopened, diba? Meaning kahit na-settle na yung account, it may be reopened. So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari dito sa credit notice na to, because I noticed that emphasis was also being made on if a credit notice can be reopened.
Para sa depensa, mahalagang nailabas ng umano sa open court ang kanilang matagal nang sinasabi na may credit notice ang DepEd para sa paggamit nito ng confidential fund sa unang 2 quarter ng 2023. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Jico Custodio ng 105.1 Brigada News of Manila, The Music and News Authority.